Welcome to the world of Scandinavian beauty, where skincare isn't just a routine, it's a lifestyle rooted in Hygge, the Danish art of coziness, simplicity, and well-being. In this video, we'll explore how the Nordic way of life transforms skincare. Hygge, pronounced Hygge, is more than just comfort. It's the soul of Scandinavian culture. It's about slowing down, enjoying the moment, and nourishing not only your mind but your skin too. And when it comes to skincare, Hygge beauty means gentle, uncomplicated, and deeply hydrating care routines that soothe both the skin and the spirit. Scandinavian beauty routines are minimal. No 10-step regimen here. The focus is on quality over quantity. Just a few carefully chosen products, a routine that respects your skin barrier, and formulations filled with natural functional ingredients like birch sap for hydration, cloudberry oil for antioxidants, sea buckthorn for omega fatty acids. Scandi women believe in enhancing their natural glow, not masking it. So, what does a Hygge-inspired skincare routine look like? Step 1. Gentle cleanser. No harsh foaming. Look for cream or oil-based cleansers that leave the skin soft and hydrated. Step 2. Hydrating mist or essence. Think glacier water or floral mist that refreshes without stripping. Step 3. Facial oil or moisturizer. Scandinavian winters are cold and dry, so sealing in moisture is a must. Look for ingredients like oat oil, shea butter, or squalane. Bonus: sauna glow. Many Nordic women credit their radiant skin to regular sauna sessions. It promotes circulation and detoxifies the skin. But Hygge skincare isn't just about products. It's the ritual. Apply your moisturizer while listening to calming music. Sip warm herbal tea while masking. Light a candle and take 10 mindful minutes before bed. This is what makes the Scandinavian beauty lifestyle different. It's peaceful, slow, and intentional. Scandinavian beauty teaches us that glowing skin doesn't come from more products. It comes from balance, hydration, and Hygge. So slow down, simplify your routine, and embrace cozy, skin-loving rituals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite skincare habit, and subscribe for more global beauty secrets.